right, now pull this one a little bit, Dad. One more. Right there. That's good. Woo! Took a while.
No, yeah, that's good.
Don't worry, we can edit the film and make it look like it didn't take that long. This is self-locking, so once you get it, as long as you're in that black piece up there, it locks itself. So this piece right here, if you go over the chrome and lock it in there,
yeah,
you don't have to keep holding it. And then I try to wrap it a little bit so it doesn't, we don't trip all over it. Yeah, that's better.
I think we're looking good.
Yeah. So this is downwind, wing on wing.
The jib is filling out pretty good. The main's let off a little bit, but
well, that's aiming. So, but do we want this one to have the wind or do we want that one to have the wind?
I think we want that one to have wind right now.
It's a lot bigger, right?
Yeah.
So you're definitely right. We want that one to have the wind. So now I'm going to take my advice from last time and sit down.
Yeah, it's like a whole
You
lot
want
more,
some water?
a lot more comfortable. Yeah.
I don't think we went for that rock, but that's okay. Wherever we're aiming will work. Seems to be working pretty good. So look to the side. You can see we're moving pretty good. I think the wind's picking up a little.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I finally figured that out.
We're putting up a little weight now.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we're going the right direction.
I think that's a little better right now. I'm heading for a point.
Well, don't worry about it. I think probably the relative wind is probably the most important thing now because we're wanting to go downwind. There is a way to go downwind on a reach. So we could go 45 degrees that way or 45 degrees that way. And that would be pretty cool too. We wouldn't need the pole.
Yeah, the sail's up, the jib's up pretty good. Well, wait a minute.
That's all right.
Up a little bit.
So I think if you want more wind in that one, you turn this way a little bit, right? Let's see. Is it the opposite? What would you think?
I think we want to be more towards the point.
To fill this?
Yeah.
Maybe. I think it's the opposite, but I might be wrong. Like this?
Yeah.
Here comes some waves. Get ready for some waves. I'm not sure where they came from. And we got plenty more water down there if you want some more. I'm gonna put some things here. These are all right.
I like this.
I think the wind just died down a little. I think it wasn't really our direction. All right, so I'm gonna go take that pole down. What are we gonna call that pole? I call it a spinnaker pole, but that's not a spinnaker. Maybe they call it a jib pole?
Must be a jib pole.
I don't know. I don't like, see, it has a wheel on that thing, which makes it not do what I want it to do. Also, I'm going to steal the one from the other boat. It's way better. There's an uphaul and a downhaul on here that's supposed to go to a line in the middle of both of that pole that holds it up. In the middle of both sides. You're right.
What is a jib pole?
According to Aston University, in the pole, workout you train all the upper body movement muscles, i.e. the back and biceps.
I don't think that's it.
All right, so it's always the hottest when you're going downwind because the wind's blowing behind you and you're moving with the wind.
Yeah, I can feel it.
So it's real still.
I know where the sun is.
Yeah, so I want to get a little breeze going. So what I want to do is I'm going to get that pole and take it down. I don't even know if we'll use it again anymore. If we do, I think I'm going to make it shorter than that because I think it's too long. I think half of our problem is that pole's too long. So I'm going to pull that on in. Or maybe pull that a little tighter. Okay, that's good. Hey, I'm just going to take it down. We'll learn how to use this or we'll get a better one. I don't like this thing. Oh, hold on. Got it? Okay, just hold it and I'll come down to it.
Oops.
You all right? Got it?
Trying to get out of your way, but then I've not sure which way you're going. I just put it your way.
I hear you. All right. So now, let's do a racetrack like that guy did. They seem to know what they're doing, right?
Okay.
So let's go that way. Just go ahead and turn that way. So get ready to jibe. Jibing. Jibing is when we turn. Okay, straighten her out. Straighten her out, right there. Hold her right there. Let's see if we get a little wind in our face, pick up a little speed.